What's up, good people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're excited for this video just like I am. So I have two reasons why I'm excited. First, my sister is making temporary locks for me, and that's what is in this video. And the main reason I'm excited is because she decided to record a video for me to post here on YouTube. And I decided, why not? Let me share this with you guys. Let's learn together. So basically this is like a tutorial on how to make the temporary locks, and it's very detailed, very informative and educative. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Let's learn together, and subscribe, turn on post notification and like this video. Make sure you stay tuned to see when we install these locks. Yeah, I hope you enjoy. And in case you guys want or need such locks, you can DM her on her Instagram. I'll leave the link to her Instagram or the pinned comment in the comment section. Or you can as well DM me on my Instagram. The link is in the description box. Yeah,